Yeah, the engine pulled back out. Getting ready to cut the whole front half of this frame off. So the engine was sitting right here on both sides, you can kind of tell. Pretty much going to be lobbing her off right here. Got a Crown Vic frame outside I cut up yesterday. Weld that in. Put this guy back in. She's going to be real pretty. I'll tell you what. Here's some unimportant stuff. So I got power steering pump taken off. Brakes are pretty well taken care of. Just put that guy back on to stop the leak. Steering gearbox is pretty well off. I'm just gonna take that guy off so I can sell him. Sell the pump. After lunch here, I'll be hopping inside the car. I'll be taking this whole booster off. You know, kind of a big boy, so I gotta wait for this car to move so I can even get in there, but progress. Slowly but surely progress. You know, I ain't gonna lie to you. It sucks being up under here. Finally got one of my, let's see if I can even show you the other guys. Yeah, they're somewhere over there, you know, they're somewhere, they're hiding from me. But I got my 1 of 4 holding this damn brake booster in. I've discovered I'm far too big of a fella to be sitting underneath the dash, laying on my back here. Oh my God. I thought I was an Olympian. Turns out I'm not. But there we go. There's the 2 on that side. I don't even think you can see the other side. I just been fighting with them so long. There's 1. And maybe 2. But yeah, finally. Oh my God. The guy finally got him out. Okay. So there was a pin holding that guy on the inside. That's now in, through and through. Thank God. One step closer. Steering gearbox, power steering pump, master cylinder brake booster, officially off the car. I think guys at the point where I could almost start getting some measurements on this frame and then grab a sawzall and just start zinging. Cut that frame right off. Hey, Torino has finally moved from over there to the hoist. And finally, I think we're gonna lift the body off the frame, give her a chop, put in this nice Crown Vic frame. I cut up a little bit here, you can see it's a little bit shiny. Not too bad a shape. And it's sitting here. Fortunately, the guy got some bad news. As soon as we moved it, turns out I got some rot right there. And exact same on the other side, so you know, the gift that keeps on giving, right? But
that is what holds your arms.
It was kind of solid until I touched it.
What does it look like right between? Okay, yep, no, it's all the way through because I can see it up in between there. That fucking sucks, Tommy. Put her back down, grab the body, and
without crushing the body, or what's left of it.
Yes. 100% yes.